Thanks for paving the path, bro.
You're welcome.
Coming without the footing and thinking on the Hennessy. I know I'm not that mentally. My bad.
I'm recording.
Oh.
We just got your song. We're gonna start shooting, target practice. I'm using the Evo with a 20 to 12.7 band set and some 9.5mm steel. Yeah, we've just got some shatter blast targets and then this shiny disc thing, pheasant head. Okay, let's go. El Norte. Hold up.
Wait a minute.
Something ain't right.
There's one. Yeah.
And we'll set a couple out here. This has got to be like 40.
Are you good?
Yeah. I'm just loading them up on this rock. That's good. There's at least like 8.
So.
No way. Oh my gosh. I thought my bands broke, but they're just untied. You shoot the close ones, I'll shoot the farther ones.
Yeah, shoot the ones all the way over there.
So those ones are about 35, 40 yards up by that rock. Oh my gosh. It just keeps vibrating my bands. Going for this one right here on this rock.
Yes!
There you go. Oh my gosh, look at my bands.
Bruh. Right in there, so.
There we go, finally. There's no wind. Those are the 40-yarders. Whoa, it's like impossible to shoot slingshots in the wind.
Yes!
Damn.
I really had to focus on that one.
I'm scared my camera's gonna blow over.
Whoa.
Can you see my bands? This is frustrating.
Don't shoot. Shoot, shoot, quick. Oh, multiple targets fell down. Oh, what? What?
That was a bomb. That was a 40-yarder.
I shot immediately as soon as I dropped.
Oh
What?
my gosh. Booyah.
Oh, you hit it?
I hit the 40.
Good job.
All the 40s are gone. Oh, barely high. There we go. That was good. Try to get...
Yay!
Oh, there you go. Okay, I'm done. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this windy video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.